Workers' compensation is a critical safety net for employees. Let's look at how this insurance works and why it exists for every business. At its core, this insurance is about protection. It covers medical costs and lost wages if an employee gets hurt on the clock. Nearly every state requires employers to carry this insurance. It ensures that help is available immediately when a workplace accident occurs. The policy pays for doctor visits, hospital stays, and ongoing therapy. It also replaces a portion of income while the employee recovers. It is important to distinguish this from general disability insurance. Workers' comp is specific to injuries caused directly by your job duties. Premiums are based on risk. Businesses with physically demanding tasks typically pay higher rates than those in low-risk office environments. Ultimately, the system is designed to provide stability for both the business and the employee during a difficult recovery period. Understanding your insurance rights is a key part of financial literacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next breakdown.